60-second vegan collagen smoothie. Best vegan collagen shake. Health, beauty, and radiance come from the inside out, and they begin with what we put into our bodies. Adding high-quality vegan collagen powder to your diet can help to support your hair, nails, joints, gut function, and skin. In this video, we examine what vegan collagen is, why it is so beneficial, and give you the recipe for a health-packed vegan smoothie. What is vegan collagen? Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body and helps give structure to hair, skin, nails, and bones. It's made up of various important amino acids. Collagen is the substance that makes your hair shine, your skin glow, and your nails strong. It also helps you to bend and stretch. As you get older, collagen production slows, leading to less elastic skin, loss of bone density, and less flexible joints. Most sources of collagen come from animals. The supplements available on the market are mostly derived from cows or fish. However, a form of vegan collagen can now be made by using genetically modified yeast and bacteria. Currently, this pure vegan collagen is hard to come by, so most companies sell vegan collagen boosters. These contain various vitamins and minerals that have been specifically selected to boost your body's ability to make collagen. They also include plant extracts and herbs that have been found to stimulate internal collagen production. How do I use vegan collagen? Both vegan collagen and vegan collagen boosters are flavorless powder that can be mixed into any hot or cold beverage. It can also be baked into bread or any other baked goods. However, a particularly healthy way to get collagen into your diet is to make a nutrient-dense smoothie. This can be consumed at any time of the day, but is especially potent in the morning. Blueberry Vegan Collagen Smoothie. This smoothie is loaded with antioxidants, collagen, healthy fats, and fiber. We have chosen blueberries because they have one of the highest antioxidant levels of all fruits and vegetables. These powerful nutrients help to fight free radicals, which cause cell damage and result in aging of the body. As well as being amazing for skin health, blueberries have been shown to improve memory and brain function and also lower the risk of heart disease and diabetes. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of blueberries, half a banana, half a ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, 2 scoops of vegan collagen powder or vegan collagen booster powder, and 1.5 cups of either your preferred milk or water. Simply combine all the ingredients in a blender and blend for 60 seconds until you have a smooth, creamy consistency. It really is health and anti-aging in a glass. If you liked this video, please subscribe to Better Days, where we deliver fun and informative videos that help you become the best version of you. Till next time, have a great day.